All right, everybody, right before measure 3, starting on this low A to the D and the F, here I go. And now I do 1, 2, 4. That sets me up for the next chord, 5-finger on G. Going down, 2-finger, 1 and 4. We are now going to talk about the dotted 8th to the 16th, that infamous sound where we have that. Okay, the first thing I want to suggest, and I actually spoke to a few colleagues about this, and with the fingering, you want to keep it consistent. I know a lot of learners might do 5, 5, 5. You can get through it, but it's good practice to alternate fingerings, okay? So some coordination practice here. Simple, go slow. We're just going to play the D minor triad. Our left hand is in charge. You want to feel the pulse. 1. When you're ready, you're going to add the right hand in. Even go slower. Let's go slower. Try it again. Let's say you're in a situation like this. Then what you want to do is practice this way perhaps. Take out that 16th first. Again, for teaching for a long time, everyone learns differently, so that might be an easy, quick tip for some. The other thing you can do is just practice it really isolated. Okay, so together, alone. This is tedious practice that doesn't help much with YouTube viewing, but it's real music practice, and that's why I'm here. Hey guys, so sorry to interrupt. If you're getting value out of this video, please hit the thumbs up button so it reaches other awesome people like you. Back to the lesson. I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate the phrase like this. Now what I did in that demo is I gave a little breath, and what I mean by that, I did, so that C sharp left hand and that A should line up, but I'm exaggerating so you can hear it, I did a little after beat 1. Yes, Jim, it doesn't say that though, I know. But one of the things I want to talk about, this piece was getting close to the Romantic era, which is very expressive. You can go ahead and Google, let's see, a famous pianist, or Lang Lang. He phrases it that way. A lot of professionals will phrase it in that way. All right, here I go. Right before 11, I'm going to start. Watch what I do with the finger substitution. And musically, I feel like there's a lot of tension here, so I'm trying to create maybe a crescendo. Right now, I'm going slow, super slow, so everyone can see what's going on. Here I go, right before 11. Hear that left hand? 5-finger on that F. Breath. I have D minor, and then I'm going to go to G, B flat, E flat. Sounds good, but my hand did not shape it correctly. You're going to have coordination issues. So what we're going to do, and then I bring this over. I don't know if you can see it. So it kind of looks like this. That will help you prepare to get to the top notes. I'll go slow. I'm exaggerating. 4, 5. That last part, when I did the 4, the reason I'm using the bench is we need more room. I'm actually staying centered and relaxed, but I'm moving my body. So I'm not grounded here. I am moving with the instrument. All right, so I geeked out a little bit with some of this. Hopefully these tips help. Definitely go through and worry about the basics, the notes, the coordination. Hopefully those exercises helped.